Hello everyone, today I will show you how to enable swipe reply on Instagram, and here's how it is done. First, it is important to make sure your Instagram app is fully updated. This ensures that you have access to the latest features, including the swipe to reply option. To do this, open either the App Store if you're using an iPhone or Google Play if you have an Android device. In the search bar, type Instagram, and if an update is available, you will see an update button next to the app icon. Tap on it and wait for the update to complete. This step is crucial to ensure everything works as expected. Once your app is updated, open Instagram by locating the app icon on your phone's home screen and tapping on it. Now that you are inside the app, the next step is to access your direct messages. Look at the top right corner of your screen and find the message icon, or depending on your version, which represents your messages. Tap on this icon to view all your current conversations. From here, select any chat where you'd like to use the swipe to reply feature. Now that you are inside a conversation, replying to a message using the swipe to reply feature is incredibly easy. Simply find the message you want to respond to and swipe right on it. As soon as you do, you will notice that a reply text box appears at the bottom of the screen, linking your response directly to the specific message you swipe on. It is a great way to keep your conversations organized and respond quickly. With this simple gesture, you can reply to any message in a conversation without any hassle. And that is everything you need to know about how to enable swipe reply on Instagram. Before we end, may I humbly ask you a favor? Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. This means the world to us. Thank you so much for watching. We hope to see you in our next video.